One of the common recent complaints regarding children is they are not sleeping at night. Why is this happening? Let us see in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, your health related queries are answered via short videos which are released every week. If you want to see such videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any such queries, kindly post it in the comment section. I will try to answer them in subsequent videos. Today's video is about today's kids not sleeping early in the night. Why is this happening? Is it real? Yes, today more often than not, kids are not sleeping in their usual time. They tend to be awake even late into the night. Most of the kids go to sleep by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, way past midnight. Why is this happening? Have the kids changed or have we changed? What is the scientific reason behind this? We have to understand, for us to fall asleep, there is a physiological mechanism going on. There is a sleep apparatus in the brain which has to get activated. Whenever you are awake, those systems have to go down, and when you are asleep, some systems have to be activated, and then you fall into a sleep. For this, there is a hormone called melatonin which is secreted from the pineal gland, which is essential. So melatonin is the sleep hormone. This melatonin secretion is activated by darkness. So whenever there is darkness, more of melatonin is secreted and you have the tendency to fall asleep. So in olden times, there was not much electricity. There was no electricity, then there was not much electricity. Not everybody had these bright lights. So whenever the lights were dimmed or switched off, your melatonin secretion switched on and people tended to fall asleep. What is today happening is we have bright lights flooding our homes, environment. So this melatonin secretion is not activated. What is happening even inside our homes is that even in night we are not switching off the lights. So even if the kids are asked to go to bed, we are still working, the lights are kept on. Or even if the lights are switched off, we usually tend to carry out our activities, continue our activities in the mobile, which is again emitting bright light. So what is happening is this secretion of melatonin is being postponed or is being hindered, and that's why the kids are not going to sleep early in the night. So if you have sleep problems in your kids, what we should do ideally is, at the same time, everybody in the home, at least for a few days, should start practicing going to sleep at the same time. Every possible light should be switched off, and we should also switch off our mobiles and other gadgets, televisions, so that there is no stimulation going on. Their melatonin secretion comes back to the usual cycle. Kids go to sleep early in the night, which is good for their long-term health. So if you have kids who are not going to sleep early in the night, it is not their fault alone, it is our fault. So we should have to change our lifestyle. I am not saying you should not work at night at all, but to instill this habit, regularly practice this for 15 days or a month. After the kids have gone into that mode, then probably you can start working. Or if you want to work, you should be in a separate place, and kids should not have this stimulation of light which hinders their melatonin release. Hopefully this would have answered your query. If you like this video, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.